Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rizier token. Now yesterday I uploaded a video on Rizmiss. It was Merry Rizmiss for Christmas. And then, of course, New Year's coming up after Christmas, so we need a Riz token for the new year. So now we have Rizier. Happy New Rizier. And this token is on the Solana blockchain, obviously a meme coin. You can find it on Solscan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. It is actually trending on Dex Screener right now, number 28 in the Solana section. This token was made on Moonshot. I saw it trending yesterday in the Moonshot section, and now it's trending in the Solana section. Token pair was just created 17 hours, 41 minutes ago on Raydium. Brand new token, not even a day old yet. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. Real easy to find that at Rizier. And they have 129 posts so far. It says hashtag Rizier, we hodl here, and then it has a link to their Telegram, which is also at Rizier. If you go over to the Telegram, they have 338 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, memes, announcements, all that fun stuff is going to be on their Twitter and Telegram. They also have a webpage linked on the Twitter there at rizier.uwu.ai. And on the webpage, they have the contract address, links to their socials, and it looks like they have some merch too you could buy on there. And it tells you basically how to purchase using a Phantom wallet. And you could download a Phantom wallet from their page. You could check the price action, it says as well. Join the Telegram, merch store, X, and then they have a roadmap, which we'll get to in a second here. 280 followers on the Twitter, and they just joined in November 2024. But if you wanted to get this token here, you could see that the contract address is just right there on the Twitter. Real easy to find that. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Phantom Wallet, or Solflare Wallet with Sol. Now you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Rizier token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter or on their webpage. You probably will not have to set slippage. I didn't see anything about taxes for this token. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium. And this token may also become available on other dexes as well, like Orca, Meteora, Jupiter, and then maybe they'll get some central exchange listings if they continue to do well, but that's why it's a good idea to follow the socials. Like just 58 minutes ago, they tweeted out, 4,500 holders strong, just 500 away from reaching our phase 2 goal. The momentum is real, the Rizier fam is unstoppable, and the moon is in sight. Let's make it happen. The Rizier fam is pure fire. Together we're building something unstoppable. The vibes, the support, the drive, y'all make this movement amazing. Your energy, your drive, together we're rewriting the game and aiming for the stars. And announcing the Rizier merch line is live. We're thrilled to launch a merch line that represents the swagger and ambition of the Rizier community. But this isn't just about looking good, it's about pushing our project to new heights. Every purchase will directly support, and then they have a list here on their Twitter, advertising campaigns to grow our reach, boosting visibility in the crypto space, funding initiatives to further the success of the Rizier project. So phase 1 of their roadmap is going to be launch and community building phase, where the goal is to establish a strong foundation and grow the community, launch Rizier on the Solana blockchain, build a vibrant social media presence on Twitter, Telegram, etc., host engagement events like AMAs, giveaways, and community challenges, and reach the first milestone of 1,000 holders. Phase 2 is the expansion and visibility phase. So the goal is to expand reach and solidify the project's presence in the crypto space. Develop partnerships with influencers and crypto projects. Increase visibility with targeted marketing campaigns. Implement branding initiatives like custom memes and graphics. And reach the next milestone of 5,000 holders and $1 million market cap. So that's what they're just talking about, 5,000 holders. Phase 3, their goal is to add functionality and utility to the project. Launch exclusive features for holders like NFTs, staking, and merchandise. Integrate with decentralized finance platforms. Host community-driven events like polls, creative contests, etc. Achieve 10,000 holders and $5 million market cap. Phase 4 is the major milestones phase, where the goal is to reach new heights and significant growth, expand partnerships, larger ecosystems, platforms, exchanges, 20,000 holders, and $10 million market cap. Phase 5, keep the momentum going, build a strong long-term vision, new product launches and roadmaps, continued growth of the community, and 50,000 holders and beyond. So let's see here. So they have right now 4,578 holders. They have a 24-hour trading volume just today of $5 million. They're up almost 100%. They're a little bit over $209,000 market cap. They have $69,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and 100% of that liquidity is locked and burned. Still trending number 28. They are doing a marketing boost right now on Dex Screener as well, so they're promoting the token, so that's nice to see as well. And yeah, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.